Sekhmet's children to Sekhmet's Healing Kitchen. I am Sekhmet's SapphyreSun. And today's video, I am going to show you how to make a fall DIY salt and sugar scrub to moisturize the body for dry, mature skin. And so this is what it looks like. So we have salt and sugar and delicious oils. And so if you want to know how to make this, it smells so divine and it's moisturizing for our skin, stick around. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that it can be seen across the YouTube world, and hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Be right back. Going to use red palm oil. Red palm oil has a unique composition that makes it a perfect skincare product. They are vitamin E, an antioxidant that fights free radicals, prevents cell damage. Vitamin A and carotenes are the substance that gives red palm oil its rich, deep color. This is also found in carrots, tomatoes, and peppers. Vitamin A promotes skin elasticity and strength, as well as blood circulation and cell generation. Coconut oil moisturizes skin and locks in the moisture. It helps dry skin and can treat acne and eczema. Hempseed oil has vitamin E and antioxidants, helping the moisturizing and anti-aging features. It is high in linoleic acid, which is responsible for keeping skin supple. Avocado oil is an antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and a great skin moisturizer. It increases collagen synthesis, which helps with wrinkles and psoriasis. It contains various fatty acids like palmitic acid, linoleic acid, and other acids. It has minerals and vitamins A, C, D, and E. It's time to melt the oils. Okay, so what makes this a fall salt and sugar scrub is the color by the red palm oil and the scent. So I just melted all the oils. And so we're gonna put some clove, some cinnamon essential oil, we're going to put some gingerbread fragrance oil. and some pumpkin pie. So this is what's gonna make it into a fall DIY homemade salt and sugar moisturizing body scrub for mature dry skin. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That smells divine. Ooh. Smells like the kitchen, baking, pies and things. All right, we have almost 1 cup of brown sugar and pure cane sugar. Sugar brightens tired, dull looking skin to promote healthy, smooth, and flawless skin, even mature skin. Sugar cane contains minerals that are good for the body, and along with the glycolic acid, the minerals can be protective for the skin, keeping toxins out. Of Himalayan crystal salt. The benefits of Himalayan crystal salt for mature skin. Skin is the largest organ in the human body. Therefore, our skin will give us clues when some things may be going on internally. Himalayan pink salt has a high magnesium content, which helps to soothe skin inflammation such as acne, psoriasis, and eczema. It is a natural exfoliant. It helps to eliminate dead skin cells, and it promotes blood circulation, giving the skin a healthy glow. It was too runny for me, so I decided to put about another 1/4 cup of pure cane sugar and a 1/4 cup of some more pink Himalayan salt, so it could be a little bit more drier. Take you into the kitchen. All right, Sekhmet's children, we are in the kitchen with our fall DIY homemade sugar and salt moisturizing body scrub for mature skin. Look how moisturized. I don't know if you guys can see the shine. Let me turn the light on. See how moisturized my skin is? Thank you, Sekhmet's children, for watching my fall DIY homemade salt and sugar scrub for the body to moisturize dry, mature skin. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and please hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Remember to love yourself unconditionally without judgment. Until next time.